Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARCadvisory Group. I'm here with Nathalie Marcotte, who's Senior Vice President of Schneider Electric and President of their Process Automation. Nathalie, welcome to the ARC Forum.
Yeah, I'm really glad to be here. Thank you.
It's great to be here in person with you. We've heard a lot about digital transformation at this event, and you are working with a lot of customers in that area. Where do you see the uptake, and what kind of technologies and solutions are your customers participating in this area?
I mean, there's obviously many of them in different areas. And, what we've been really working on in this past year is one of the foundational elements, which is the automation expert, which is a platform that will allow to decouple the hardware and the software. So the customer can engage right from the beginning as the design of the plan with their digital twins, and then moving on to operation. So the platform, the underlying platform that allows to keep this separate then from the hardware and then have a life on its own and have a separate life cycle for the hardware, is the universal automation that we've launched last year. And then that's really been, taking on, and we're starting to see more and more engagement with customer. And really it's been quite positive in that way.
Well, we hear a lot about it. We're going to hear some more about it at this event, so look forward to that. Another topic that we've heard a lot about is sustainability, and Schneider Electric has received awards for that. And given the past 2 years of the pandemic and all our disruption and completely disrupted supply chains, it's amazing just to keep a supply chain functional, let alone make it more sustainable. So can you talk about how Schneider Electric is addressing sustainability across that massive and complicated supply chain that you have?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the sustainability journey for Schneider Electric started a while back, where we started addressing our scope 1 in our factories and really improving. And it started actually with doing the digital transformation of our factory and leveraging that to make them more sustainable. And more we develop skills of looking assessment. We've also made some acquisition of a sustainability business that we've integrated. And now we're bringing it more and more, all the experience learning that we've done over these 5 years. And, obviously we had some recognition out there from the market. Now we're bringing it to our clients and bring these sustainability knowledge to create sustainability consulting, but not just for various type of our clients. Our factories are more manufacturing, but also now we're bringing this to the process industry, looking at their energy profile, consumptions, and, how can they really work and improve their whole sustainability, either with different source of energy, different type, moving to electric. So there's, we're really moving on into our clients and engaging in a more practical way on all the learning we've done for our own factory and bringing it to our clients. So it's quite an interesting time, and obviously huge challenge because customer needs to improve, production. There's a huge request on demand, and now they have to do it in a more sustainable way. So it's a double challenge.
Another challenge we hear a lot about and we focused on yesterday at this event is cybersecurity. And that seems to be another challenge that keeps rising in importance to end users alike and pretty much everybody in many industries. Can you tell us about what you would be bringing to your customers in these times for cybersecurity as it becomes more critical?
Yeah, I mean, we've been involved, and personally even, I've been involved with cybersecurity for quite a while now. And cybersecurity is an enabler for, digital transformation. You cannot talk about digital transformation without having cybersecurity in mind and bringing this. And more the level of awareness of our end users and customers have quite increased over these past 5 years in terms of understanding that it's a requirement. So while we've been working with our clients for over 10 years in that field now, we've really developed a comprehensive offering from a services solution to help our client in the OT environment to make sure that their OT, environment is as secure as their IT. And then in many cases, we work concert with their IT people to really secure the OT environment from various services, solution, auditing where they are, what maturity level, what risk they can, they're reducing the risk, the overall aspect of it. And for that, we're partnering with various partners. This week we've announced an increased partnership with Clarity. So he's one of our partners, which have some software solution to help with asset inventory and anomaly detections.
So we do agree this is becoming much more top of mind in the last couple of years.
Oh, yes. The awareness and I would say the maturity and the understanding of our clients where maybe 10 years ago we had to preach, if I may say it this way, to say, hey, there's some threat, you have to protect, you have to secure. Now, honestly, it's been, customers are fully aware and various segments where there was a period of time it was more geographically focused and more from the heavy process industry. Now it's pretty much across geography and segments. Awareness has raised, understanding has increased as well of the need, and so.
Yeah, I agree. And more the traditional outlook or traditional challenge that people have faced, and especially in process industries, is unplanned downtime, where any kind of unplanned downtime can be extremely risky, expensive, and very costly to objectives. So could you summarize that concern, where you see it, and how you're addressing it for your customers?
Obviously, I mean, we've been in the business of automation for a long time. So automation solution do help, either DCS and a safety system, Triconic system are helping clients to reduce their, exposure to downtime. But more recently in this past couple of years, we've been investing to really connect the power and process together closer to the asset. So having a better understanding of how one connect with the other, leveraging again digital, but have a better understanding of the interaction between the electrical aspect and the process aspect close to the asset. And through this, we've developed the EcoStruxure power and process approach, which now we're implementing it more and more. We realize it also helps reducing downtime for our customers. So we're having good result with this power and process approach, reducing downtime with our clients further actually than where we were even before.
Well, Nathalie, it's been great to talk with you. I really appreciate you coming to be with us, and look forward to talking to you in the future. Thanks very much.
Thanks to you. It's been a pleasure.